Jira Task Reporting. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because Jira reporting helps teams track project progress, analyze workflows, and monitor task performance more efficiently. To begin this tutorial, open your browser on your computer. Once your browser is ready, go to 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘 by typing the website address into the browser search bar. Choose the login method you want to use according to your preference, for example using a Google account for a faster and easier login process. Select the account you want to use for managing your Jira workspace and projects. Click Continue to proceed to the Jira dashboard and access your available spaces or boards inside the platform. Select the space you want to use according to your project management needs. Before creating reports inside Jira, make sure you already have several tasks similar to the video example, so the report section can display project data, workflow progress, and task activity correctly inside the workspace. Click the plus icon located in the navigation section to add additional tabs or tools to the Jira workspace menu. Select Reports so you can access the reporting tools provided inside Jira. Click Add to Navigation to place the Reports tab directly into the navigation menu for easier access later. Choose the reporting type according to your needs, for example cumulative flow diagram, so Jira can display project workflow information and task progress visually inside the workspace. Now the report has been successfully created according to your needs and will display available project information based on the tasks inside the workspace. You can adjust the report by checking or unchecking the columns you want to use so only the required workflow information appears inside the report section. You can also use the date filter from date or to date to display reports according to your needs and limit the display project data based on a specific time range. If you want to display another report type, click on the Reports section again to return to the Reports tab and access the available report categories inside Jira. Now you can choose and display other report types according to your needs if necessary.